Hello, welcome to supertool.build. So in this video, in the series of WAS scope approvals, so I will show you why we require script.projects. To enable app scripts, we are using this script.projects. How this works is, so as usual, after logging into supertool.build, go to this thing, create flow. So I will add a Google Sheet application. I will choose the action when a new row. Here I am choosing a trigger, new row in a sheet. So I will choose the recent this thing. So as usual, like you have to authorize the account, the old accounts. Like I will rename it as old. Click on new account. This is the pop-up where we authorize a new account for this Google Sheet. Click on continue. Allow this. Yeah, it is successfully created a new authorization. You can see 37. So I will add this thing, new row in a sheet. I will choose this trigger and I will choose the recent account which we authorized 37, and I will choose the spreadsheets test 1. I will choose the worksheet as sheet 1. After choosing these two, we will click on test and review. Here we are supposed to choose the column names. Click on proceed. Let's wait. We will get the app scripts here, app script window. Yes, let's wait. So we are supposed to enable this. Let's see, any blockage is there here. Allow pop-up should be there. Cookies. Site settings. Privacy and security. Yeah, pop-ups and redirects is blocked, so that is why it is coming like this. Let's make it as hello. Once it is allowed, go back here and reload. So in this video I am showing you why we require this scope script.projects. So in order to enable app scripts, the same way we will add in all these time we were adding webhook as the trigger. Now I am adding Google Sheets. That is why we require this trigger. Already I have authorized the account. As you know, 37 is the recent account we just authorized now. I will use the same account here. Yeah, so let me choose the spreadsheet and the worksheet. Click on test and review. Here I have to choose which columns, all those stuff. Let's wait for the pop-up now. Yeah, so can you see the pop-up for the app scripts has come. Here also you are supposed to choose the Gmail account, respective Gmail account. Now it is redirecting us to script.google.com. This is why we require this scope. So here I will add a trigger now. So click on add trigger. So on change head is there. I will choose on change on event type. So which function you run, it is on change. Notify me immediately, I will select. So here you are supposed to choose event type as on change and notify me immediately, and click on save. Now we are adding a trigger here via app scripts. So choose the account. Hello. Yeah, the trigger is successfully added. Now you can see this is the trigger I have added for my worksheet. So that is why we require this auth-script.projects scope. So you can see that values here, and you can now I can pass this to my Gmail or whatever it is. Like for example, in a new row is added is the trigger. So I will just close this. It's the trigger where I will choose send email and already authorized account. I will use the data subject as, you can see the value of Google Sheets is coming here. Test, these two are the columns. So I will ask subject as app script test. To ID will be support@trunkit.com. Test is the thing. Click on test and review. It is successfully sent a Gmail. Now whenever a new row is added in Google Sheet, it will trigger a Gmail. So we will see that. We'll refresh the account. Yeah, you can see this. This is how it works. So this is why we require this scope. Hope we explained all the required scopes. Thank you.